Hi everyone. It's the healthy truth. Today I'm doing multiple product reviews. First I'm applying ilmakiage makeup. I love how it glides smoothly on my skin. Next I'm using CoverGirl Lip Stain number 10 Shuggy Girl. I followed up with a lip gloss by Poppy and Ivy Beauty. Now for the eyelashes. I'm using my amazing lashes. This should add volume to my eyelashes. It has definitely added volume. I love this product. Check out this brand new wig. It is a 12-inch orange and ginger curly bob wig by Yumi. It's not my normal choice, but I wanted to do something different. Be spontaneous. I'd like to be confident in anything I wear. Look at wig's interior. Combs and bands are attached. The wig is a bit stiff. I'll need to spray the wig with water to make it soft. Now adding my Maybelline New York Lasting Fix Spray. Back to the hair, I'm giving Dragon Ball Z vibes. I actually like it. What do you think?